What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be putting some new mats in this car. I know we can't really see it because it's covered in snow, but I don't really want to brush it off, so we're just gonna make it so we can open the doors, and that'll be good enough. Now I'll put some new mats because the ones in there now are the soft ones, and I don't want to get those wrecked. So we're just gonna put some new ones that I got off Amazon. So let's just go inside real quick and open up the box and make sure they're good before I even bother taking out the old ones. All right, guys, so here's the floor mats here. They just came in. So let's open up the box real quick. All right, here they are. Wow, they feel pretty thick and good quality, but let's see if they... Yeah, they're pretty heavy duty feeling. What's all this? Oh, it came with all the clamps to hold it down as well. Here's this one for the little centerpiece. All right, guys, let's put temporary mats we have in here. They're out of one of my dad's cars. Mats that are in there now, I'm putting these on top. Just because, why not? I mean, that works fine, I think. I don't really think it needs to clamp down. Let's see. Worry about taking apart the other ones and losing the Velcro and whatnot. So let's move to the back door. Here's this side. Let's see, does it go like that? I think so. There we go, that doesn't look too bad, I don't think. And last but not least, the passenger side one. And there we go. The fitment actually is pretty nice. Alright, guys, that's going to end today's video. I think these mats look pretty good, especially for the price compared to an OEM one. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. But other than that, guys, that's going to end today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.